j2measure has been completely rewritten using the latest web technology. This means it runs on any device, and you'll see the j2measure buttons have been added into j2e5. We start with a ruler. This allows us to measure lines as we draw them. Here we're going to draw one at 5 centimeters. The next tool we're going to show is the compass tool. So again, we go to the j2measure button, click and select the compass. We can then change the size of it by using this little tool on the side of the compass here. We can drag the compass out, and if we grab the tool down near the pencil, we can draw a circle. If we just select the circle and look at the size of it, we can see a pretty good approximation to 10 times pi. The last tool in j2measure we're going to show is the protractor. This allows us to measure angles on the page, so if we just put a triangle on there, we can move the protractor across and rotate it in order to read off the angle. We're going to see now how we can use j2measure to get some real world measurements. We're going to copy a map from the internet. You can see that it has a scale in the bottom right hand corner. We put that onto the j2e5 page, and it doesn't matter what size the map is on the page, because we're now going to click and draw that scale from the map and tell it that that represents 1 mile. Once we've given j2measure that information, we can get real world measurements from the map. We'll just use the pen tool and we'll draw a long section of the river here, because we want to see how far that is, and so we then select the pen tool and ask to show length, and you can see now that that represents 7.4 miles along the river. So j2measure works on any device as part of the Just2Easy tool suite.